1. Fuji apple. Fuji apples have a strong sweet taste, crisp texture, and are very juicy. They are popular for fresh eating and juicing. 2. Gala apple. Gala apples are mildly sweet, fragrant, and have thin skin. They are often used as a light snack for children. 3. Granny Smith apple. Green, tart, and very crisp apples, ideal for baking in salads. 4. Red Delicious apple. Deep red apples with an attractive shape, mildly sweet flavor, but less crisp than other varieties. 5. Golden Delicious apple. Yellow apples with a gentle sweetness and moderately soft texture, suitable for fresh eating or cooking. 6. Honeycrisp apple. Extremely crisp apples with a sweet flavor and a hint of tartness, highly popular. 8. Macintosh apple. Soft, juicy apples with a slightly tart flavor, commonly used for applesauce. 9. Braeburn apple. Crisp apples with a sweet and slightly tart flavor, suitable for fresh eating and baking. 10. Jonagold apple. A hybrid of Jonathan and Golden Delicious apples, with a well-balanced sweet and tart flavor. 12. Empire apple. Crisp and richly sweet apples, a cross between Macintosh and Red Delicious. 13. Winesap apple. Apples with a mildly spicy tart flavor and distinctive aroma, used for cider and baking. 14. Rome Beauty apple. Firm apples with low sweetness, excellent for baking in pies. 15. Jazz apple. Very crisp apples with strong sweetness, slight tartness, and a fragrant flavor. 16. Envy apple. Very sweet, crisp apples with low acidity, often considered a premium fresh-eating variety. 18. Opal apple. Yellow-orange apples that are crisp, mildly sweet, and resistant to browning when cut. 19. Crimson crisp apple. Deep red, very crisp apples with a mild tartness and pleasant aroma. 20. Cameo apple. Crisp apples with strong sweetness and a light honey-like flavor. 21. Mutsu apple. Large, crisp apples with a mildly sweet and slightly tart flavor, very versatile. 22. Cosmic crisp apple. Extremely crisp apples with rich sweetness, long shelf life, and strong popularity in modern markets.